Hello everyone, my name is Deepika, your English teacher, and today I am explaining a poem. The topic for the day is The Rebel, written by DJ Enright from English book Honeycomb. So the poem name is Rebel, The Rebel. Before starting with the detailed explanation, let's know something. Let's focus the title Rebel. Who are called rebel? Rebel is a person who opposes and goes against all the rules and regulation of a society. They are the one who wants to be different from others. They want to maintain their individuality. Okay? So now I am explaining the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. In the first four lines, poet says, when the trend of the society is to have short hair, what the rebel do? The rebel grow long hair. And when the trend of the society grows long hairs, the rebel would cut his hair short. Okay? And when everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. So, what does the poet say here? Whenever there is a discussion going on a class, a rebel doesn't say a word, but when all remains quiet in the class, the rebel always creates the disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. So what happens in these lines? When every person wears a uniform, what the rebel do? Rebel wear strange and very colorful clothes. And when other member of the society wear vibrant clothes, rebel dresses himself very seriously. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. When some people who love dogs as pet animals, the rebel just praise cat. And in the company with the people who loves cat, the rebel would have good words for dog. So in each and everywhere we find that the rebel tries to prove himself different. Okay? So next lines are, when everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. So what happens when everybody requires sunlight, the rebel would go against them and he would require the need for rain. And when everybody require the rain, what the rebel do? Rebel feels sorry for absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. So in these lines, the poet says, when everybody attends any meeting, the rebel would stay home and keep himself very busy. Whereas when everybody would stay home and read books, that time the rebel would try to attend meetings. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. Okay? So whenever everybody says yes, that time the rebel say no. And when everybody says no thank you, that time the rebel says yes please. So it's very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. So in the last two lines, the poet says that it's very good that we have social rebel in our society. They think differently and because of them we can appreciate variety and differences. But on the other hand, the poet also says that we shouldn't become a social rebel. Why? because rebels are not liked by society. People don't understand their point of views. Rather, they just have bitter words and no appreciations for them at all. Okay, so I hope you will have understood the poem. Thank you.